How to fix Apple Intelligence and Siri not speaking. Here's how you can fix it quickly on your iPhone. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone isn't on silent. Flip the mute switch and turn up the volume using the side buttons. Step 2. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Then tap Siri responses. Step 3. Under Spoken Responses, make sure Prefer Spoken Responses is selected. If it's set to automatic, Siri might only speak when using headphones. Step 4. Still in Siri and search, tap Siri voice and make sure a voice is selected and downloaded. Tap the voice to re-download it if needed. Step 5. A quick restart can resolve temporary glitches. Hold the power button and volume up. Slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.